Need to fix the usp10.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. To start fixing USP10 manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the USP10, the Uniscribe Unicode Script Processor. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of complex script rendering, facilitating the data link between text buffers and localized font manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. USP10 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the USP10 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone USP10.dll downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing USP10. If USP10 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.